These three things are the key to your financial future. And that's not just a catch line or something to get you to listen. I mean, this is really, really true. It's retirement from the red chair. I'm Frankie, and the red chair is in the house. I'm on my way to work, which thankfully I love my job. But at this stage of the game in my life, getting a little older, what if I didn't want to work? Would I have the freedom to be able to say, you know what? I've enjoyed what I've done. No, I'm not there yet. And that's what this channel is all about, to help each other get there. Retirement, meaning freedom, and the red chair, well, that's the hot seat. That means it's go time. And we got to figure some things out. So here's the three keys to your whole financial future. Boom, boom. I don't mean to be overly dramatic, but it's really, really true. Number one is your income. How much do you make? How much do you bring home on a monthly basis? And that can be all your different salaries combined. It could be a side hustle. It could be things that you sell. It could be all those different things. You need to know, when all those things are in one bucket, how much you got. So, income. And I'm going to tell you, this is pretty funny, that this is in order of importance. And you would say, well, why would the least important be the income? Well, you'll figure that out as we talk about it. Number two is expenses. What are your expenses? What do you have to pay for your housing? What do you have to pay for your groceries and your food and your meals and all those different things? What do you have to pay for your utilities? All that combined are your expenses. So you have income, and then you have expenses, and then last, number three, the most important, what is your cash flow? How much money do you have to be able to do something with that is going to affect your retirement, that is going to affect your future? Something that allows you to invest in you, be that a business, be it something like an investment like real estate or stocks, I mean, what have you, right? What is your cash flow? Those three things are the key to the whole financial picture, your whole financial future. And I'm telling you, it's simple when you say it, it's work when you go about it. I want to encourage you, figure out what is coming in. How much income do you have? And maybe even figure out how much income would you need if you were to have that freedom and not have to go to work every day. It's always kind of a fun assignment to see what that would be. From there, you can actually make a plan to create that in your life. Number two is how much expenses going out. What is it costing you? And what are the things that you can get rid of? You see, because income can go up, you can create more income, that can go into the cash flow bucket. You can bring down the expenses and say, you know what, I don't really need this, or I don't really want this, or I don't really use this. Get rid of that stuff. That goes into the cash flow. But when you know the answer to all three of those things can change dramatically for you in your life. And that's what this channel is all about. Will you do me a favor? Will you comment below and let me know? As a matter of fact, in the description, I'm going to put a couple of things that'll help you along with what we're talking about. One is everydollar.com. It's a Dave Ramsey thing where you can go in for free, put in all your different expenses and stuff, and really kind of calculate a lot of what we're talking about here. I'll put that in the description below. But I'd love to hear a comment from you. Tell me how much, how you doing, cash flow, expenses, and things along those natures. We'd love to hear from you, because that is going to be us working together in this community. Anyway, there you have it. The 3 keys to your financial future. It's retirement from the red chair.